What's going on, everybody? What's up? What's up? We have another trade recap. So CPI reported today. CPI report, Consumer Price Index. Today is 11/10/2022. So I just wanted to kind of go over some signals and we can reflect on what happened today in the market, what we had yesterday that came out on the scanners, and how we were able to profit. So let's dive in. So yesterday we had a bunch of signals, a lot of bullish signals come out. BP, Mara, IP, CPNG, post earnings on a firm, AU, THC, WFC, Peloton, ET, TLT. Let's see. Bunch of signals from yesterday. They came out 3 o'clock. So the signals come out in the morning from 8:30 to 9:30, market open, and then we have signals that come out that we dissect and find the dimensions, best prices, limit orders, profit target 1, profit target 2, and expiries. So everything that came out that I just named came out at the 3 o'clock session yesterday. All of those were winners. Of course, the market went exponentially crazy as soon as the CPI numbers reported. We had some good news. For all the members, I want to make sure that you go to the membership portal and actually see the CPI analytics as the coaching session. Make sure you check that out. All right, but let's look at the signals for today. So early in the morning, we had the signals on NCLH, Roblox, KWeb. I think WBD was a put, our only loser for today. Official signals in Amazon and ALLY. So Hood 40% winner. NCLH was a 100% winner by the time we closed. And of course the market today was crazy. So besides WBD, Warner Brothers, nothing but winners. A bunch of winners, you guys. So let's check it out. So SPY went up to 397, 395, high of the day. So ALLY was bananas. Double digit winner. I think this was up to like 40% at its high. Awesome winner. Amazon, let's check out Amazon. Amazon, beautiful winner. Nice. Held the VWAP. Kiss back. Retest. Wow. Beautiful. Hold on. Let's get these screens going. 1 second. Let's go back. All right, let's try this. Let's open a new one. Boom. All right, cool. Amazon. So you see it break VWAP. Well, held VWAP twice. Big push to the upside. Got ALLY. WBD. It's our only loser. They bought puts. So that was a loser. Anything would have been an awesome winner. All the signals from yesterday, bullish signals. That was a good sign, right? That was an awesome sign. What else did we get? NCLH, Norwegian Cruise Lines. Nice winner. What else we had? Robinhood was phenomenal. I think we was alerted under the VWAP, right when it made its pivot. Nice win. What else we got? KWeb and Roblox. KWeb did well. I remember KWeb. KWeb was a winner. Small winner. And Roblox. Nice winner. Under the VWAP. So keep in mind that we did get alerted for these while they were still under VWAP. Catching a good reversal. Let's look at, I want to check out, what do I want to see? Um, man, I drew a blank. Oh, UUP. Shorted UUP later into the day. It's an easy short, 20%. Figs. Figs was alerted. Caught it breaking the VWAP, but of course they got earnings tomorrow, so I didn't want to hold anything overnight, as you can see, especially the call. Just sank. So that was a small winner. Let's see, they were buying riot calls at the end of the day, so we'll see what happens with those. I know they were buying some more Robinhood calls. Oh, Disney was phenomenal today. Oh my God. So let me see what happened with Disney. Disney was crazy. So I was looking at Disney. I noticed, and you can see this big Kardashian bottom. This is a pattern that we look for. And Disney was really unique when I looked at it because it sold off. The market was gaining strength. But here we had Disney was kind of wobbling around the VWAP. I mean, the multi-day and the VWAP. It just wobbled around. And usually when it consolidates like this, it's setting up for a clean breakout. So I actually got in at this point here, at this candle. I said, it's holding this support. It's not breaking down at all. It's retesting VWAP. Can't get over. So, but it's looking really bullish. Can't break this. And then we just have a monster pivot, breaking VWAP, and that's what you're waiting for. That this trade is the type of trade that just makes complete sense when it comes to the VWAP, knowing price. And let's check out. Let's see the volume profile on it. Let's put the volume profile and kind of see what that tells us. All right. So we can see here, there's a lot of volume here. A lot of volume. Let's shrink it. Let's get a little extra. Okay, so here where it was consolidating now we see it was the point of control. And the point of control is where the most buying and selling is occurring based on volume. So it's a lot of volume that was happening here. And it was pretty much just trading back and forth. And we know that the VWAP is somewhere here. Multi-day was somewhere around here. So that is the price, right? So now we have a breakout above the point of control, above the VWAP. And now we get back to where it originally broke down from. As you can see, it's backing into a new range. So this is critical. So if as we're looking at the volume profile, we see the edge of the volume profile up here, 94.41, and then we also see it thinning up a little bit. We have a thin zone here. So if we could break above 92, then we can assume that we'll get to the edge of this volume profile, 94. So keep in mind, 92 for Disney. All right. Let's check out Exxon. Okay. Point of control at 113. I think I like Exxon at 110. It did a lot of consolidating today, just chopped around. You see a lot of volume here, a lot of buying and selling. So we need to break above this point. You see this thin zone. We got a gap here. All right. So we need to get past this. And once we break this level, 110. So I say we start getting into 111. We can start assuming that it'll be absorbed into the rest of this volume. And then we got this high here in the pre-market. So we'll take that into consideration. And then another thin zone here. All right. And then point of control, 113. So we can play range to range. So if we get breaks, we can catch 1, 2, boom. And let's see. Let's put the chart back on. Let's put the charts back on real quick. All right. Apple. Wow, Apple just went straight up. That is beautiful. All right, let's put where's my studies? Okay, ATR. Let's put some ATR on there. Let's see where we at. All right, let's pull it out a little bit. Let's go to 15. Okay, we're looking at 113. So you see how this kind of lines up with the line I drew. This kind of lines up almost a couple cents off. And then we start moving up. So yeah, and let's try to take it out a little bit more. So this is a nice pullback. Notice how it's approaching the multi-day VWAP on a longer time frame. All right, so we can assume that if we break below this 108.41, then we can reach this point here, which is where the multi-day VWAP is. So if we continue to break this point, which is 107.65, of course we could go lower. But if we get a pivot and bounce off this 107.65, then we'll start to see some more upside, and then we can start looking for, these next significant prices. So we want to see a break of these to the upside. If not, I'll be looking for a down play to the multi-day. All right. So that's my time. It's the recap. Exxon, Disney. Keep them on the radar. Talk to you guys later.